Hi guys, my name is Grant Moreland and my company is Overage Acquisition, where we do six figures plus each year in what's called tax overage recovery. Now, a lot of people always ask me, what exactly is that? How does that work? So let me explain it to you in detail. We'll head upstairs to the studio and we'll dive right in. So here at Overage Acquisition, every month we recover hundreds of thousands of dollars in what are called overages, surplus funds, or excess proceeds. And what that money is, that's money left over from a foreclosure sale due to either delinquent taxes or a delinquent mortgage. So I wanted to touch base a little bit on how the county is real sneaky, county tax collectors real sneaky about not letting the prior homeowner know that this money is sitting there. And here's what they do. So this is built into California. I'm going to use California an example under the California Revenue and Taxation Code 4675 and 4676. Basically what it says is in order to notify the prior homeowner that their property is sold and there may be money sitting there, all they have to do is make a reasonable effort to maintain the names and last known mailing addresses of each party of interest. So in English, what that means is all they have to do is pull your old address, which by the way, these people are no longer living there, pull the old address and send a letter, or this is the best part, or place a tiny little classified ad in the back of a newspaper in the county somewhere, maybe some small known newspaper that nobody reads, place a tiny little classified ad and state that the property was sold, this is the owner, and there may be excess proceeds. So think about that. If they're going to send a letter to the old address, number one, these people are not living out these homes anymore. They already moved away. They're living with the family somewhere and maybe an auntie or uncle in a basement somewhere. They're gone. They're not staying there. And secondly, if they do receive a notice from the county tax collector or county, they're probably going to either ignore it or throw it away because it's most likely bad news, right? They lost their property. So they're probably not even opening the mail to see what happened. And another thing is when they do receive a letter, the language in which it's written is very, legalese, it's legal terms, and they most likely won't understand what the letter means. You'll be surprised at how many clients we've assisted that received letters, but they just didn't understand what the letter was saying.